Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix Roblox error code 403. But before that, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for this channel. So let's start. First off, you have to make sure that you turned off your VPN. So to do that, go to search box and just type in VPN settings and open this up. Your VPN that you're using should pop up here and just click on remove. But currently I don't use any VPN, but you should do that. If you're using third-party VPN, then you should disable that as well. If that doesn't work, then go to any browser you have and just type in Roblox server status, and then here you will check if the Roblox server is down. You cannot do anything about this. You just have to Roblox to fix it and then wait for it, but you have to check it. If it says all system operational, then it means that Roblox is not down as of the moment and you can play Roblox smoothly. If that still didn't work, then try to check your Windows firewall. To do that, go to the search box and type in firewall and open this up. Now you have to click on allow an app through firewall. After that, navigate Roblox, but if you cannot find Roblox, then go to change settings at the top and then click on allow another app. So here you have to browse for your Roblox. Once you found that, click open and then click add and make sure to check Roblox for both private and public. Now try launching Roblox again. Now for the last method, try uninstalling and reinstalling the app again. So to do that, go and search for add or remove a program. And then here, just look for Roblox. Go to the app, click on it, and click uninstall. Once that's uninstalled, reinstall the app again and try launching and see if that works. That's all guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.